Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can improve accessibility on your Instagram Reels using captions. So if you want to reach a wider audience for your Instagram Reels, you can enable the closed captions and also the caption translations on your Reels. So whenever the viewers from other country watch your reels, it will automatically enable the caption translation on the viewers languages. So here I'm going to show you how you can enable that. First, you can open your Instagram apps, and then here you can click on the plus icon and then click on the Reels tab, and now you can just choose the videos that you want to upload as your reels. Okay, so for example, in here I'm going to use these videos right here as my reels. Before click on next, here you can edit the music, you can add text, sticker, and others. And here you can also see the closed captions in here. You can click on that, and if you want to transcribe your audio into text or enable the closed caption, you can do it also here. Let's just wait. You can see this is the preview, but I'm not going to, so let's just go back. Here I'm going to delete this first. Okay, so now you can just tap on next, and here this is the page where you write the caption, hashtag, and also tag people and location for your Instagram reels. And if you want to turn the automatic closed caption on, and the speech in the reel is automatically written on the text on the bottom, and Instagram will use speech recognition technology to automatically create the closed caption. If you want to enable that, you can just click on these more options at the bottom, and then here you can see the accessibility and translation. You can just turn this on to enable this the closed caption, so your videos will show auto-generated caption if the viewers turn them on. So it depends also on the viewer settings, and you can change this for individual posts from edit menu. And you can also enable this translate closed caption, so the closed caption will be automatically translated to the viewer selected language, so you can reach a wider audience for your reels using this. So let's just click on this to turn it on, and you can just go back and just write a caption and then click on share, and after that your reels will be posted with the closed caption and also the translation if they also turn it on. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.